If you want to build a life where money, respect, and freedom follow you, then focus on skills that never expire. Trends change, jobs change, but some skills pay you forever. In this video, I'll show you 12 universal skills that can transform your life no matter where you start. Watch till the end, because even mastering one of these can change your future. Let's start with step 1, self-discipline. Discipline is the bridge between goals and results. Motivation fades, but discipline builds consistency, identity, habits, and long-term freedom. Every great achievement rests on it. Discipline trains you to act even when you don't feel like it. It creates reliability, which is more powerful than bursts of motivation. Over time, small disciplined actions compound into massive results. The more you rely on discipline, the less you depend on emotions. Focus on systems over goals. Build habits, not hype. Step 2, time management. Time is the most valuable currency. Wasted time can't be earned back. Managing your time well helps you achieve more with less effort and separates the productive from the busy. When you control your time, you control your life direction. Most people are busy, but not effective. Time management fixes that. Focus on high-impact tasks. Step 3, adaptability. The world changes fast. Adaptability helps you pivot, learn, and thrive in uncertainty. Those who resist change get stuck. Those who embrace it grow with the times. Adaptable people don't fear change. They use it. They learn new skills quickly and adjust strategies when needed. This mindset keeps you relevant in any industry. Growth always comes from stepping outside comfort zones. Reframe problems as chances to evolve. Step 4, critical thinking. In a world full of noise, critical thinking is power. It protects you from manipulation, poor decisions, and impulsive mistakes. Learning to question assumptions makes you sharper and harder to fool. This skill helps you make smarter long-term decisions instead of emotional ones. It separates intelligent action from blind reaction. Ask, what evidence supports this before deciding? Step 5, emotional intelligence. IQ may get you a job, but EQ keeps you growing. Emotional intelligence helps you manage stress, resolve conflicts, and influence others without force. Mastering emotions means mastering life. People with high EQ handle pressure calmly. This skill improves leadership and teamwork. It allows you to respond wisely instead of reacting emotionally. Pause and breathe before reacting when triggered. Step 6, communication. Every opportunity in life flows through people. If you can clearly express ideas and listen deeply, you'll always stand out. Communication isn't about talking more, it's about connecting better. Clear communication builds trust and understanding. Strong communicators create stronger opportunities. Practice active listening daily. Step 7, writing. Writing sharpens thinking. Strong writing helps you persuade, teach, and build credibility in business and life. The clearer you write, the clearer you think. Write 200 words daily on one idea. Step 8, public speaking. Public speaking builds authority and confidence. When you can speak clearly to a room, you become someone people follow. Fear of speaking is common, but mastering it separates leaders from followers. The more you practice, the less fear controls you. Great speakers ought to inspire action, not just attention. Record yourself speaking for 2 minutes daily. Step 9, sales. Selling is not about pushing products, it's about understanding problems and providing solutions. If you can sell, you'll never be broke, because every career in business needs persuasion. Sales teaches you how people think and what drives decisions. It improves your confidence in conversations and your ability to handle rejection. The more you practice, the better you become at turning doubts into trust. Focus on the customer's needs, not your pitch. Step 10, negotiation. Negotiation isn't just for deals. It's part of everyday life. Salaries, relationships, opportunities. Good negotiation builds respect and mutual understanding. It helps you stand your ground without being aggressive. Strong negotiators create opportunities where others see limits. Ask open-ended questions in every negotiation. Step 11, networking. Your opportunities often come from your network, not just your talent. Building genuine relationships creates access to knowledge, mentorship, and partnerships that money alone can't buy. Networking is about building trust, not just contacts. Helping others first creates long-term connections. The right network can accelerate your growth faster than anything else. Lead with giving, not taking. Step 12, financial literacy. Money is a tool, not just a paycheck. Without financial literacy, even high earners stay broke. With it, you build assets, reduce liabilities, and create freedom instead of stress. Understanding money changes how you make decisions. Financial literacy gives you control over your future. It turns income into long-term security. Track every dollar. Awareness is the first step. At the end of the day, All of these skills come back to one thing: discipline. Master yourself, and everything else becomes easier. Start small, stay consistent, and one day your life will look completely different. If you found value in this video, subscribe for more, because your future depends on what you do today.